Kia ora whānau.
Kia ora.
I found these street kids still roaming around Paika, Kariki. I said, get back over here. They said, what a sad guy, what a sad guy. Anyway, whānau, te rā tuarua, te rā tū o te wiki, te rā tuarua o te wiki, ko te rā tū Kiianga, Kiianga. Māori sayings, idioms, colloquialism, and a bit of slang on the side. Today, whānau, a little short one, a little short Kiiwaha. When these guys, I said, come back here, you come and help me. And they said, oh, what a sad guy. I said, yes, that's exactly it. That's our Kiiwaha I tēnei rā. A little bit like that, said, what a sad guy, what a hard case. PAKARU mai te HAUNGA. PAKARU mai te HAUNGA. Kōrero mai. Ka whai, PAKARU mai te HAUNGA, kōrero mai.
PAKARU mai te HAUNGA.
Isn't that awesome? This is, that's lovely. What a sad guy. PAKARU mai te HAUNGA. Someone might have done you a disservice or something that you're quite annoyed about, or you're just having even a bit of a laugh about something. Say, oh, that was a bit off. PAKARU mai te HAUNGA. Like that, whānau. Or you might be quite perturbed about something, and you say, PAKARU te HAUNGA o mai tērā mahi. PAKARU mai te HAUNGA o tērā mahi. Ka pai, so you say it how you want, and whatever context you're in, and put that emphasis in. Kei te pai whānau?
Right.
Sure. Okay, let's paki up, whānau, paki up. And we're going to put some actions to it. Boom, boom, tonu, pa, go. Boom, boom, boom. PAKARU mai te HAUNGA o tērā mahi. Did you call that all?
No, we
Come on then, kia kaha. 1, 2, boom. PAKARU mai te HAUNGA o tērā mahi. Ka whai kōrua, ka whai. They're not too bad. I'll let them stay one more day if they behave. Ka whai. Mauri ora whānau, PAKARU mai te HAUNGA. PAKARU mai te HAUNGA. Write that out. Go and have a look on Google, see what it means to you. Ka ki te.